Hi, what's up guys? In this video we are going to create or we are going to solve this descending order problem of CodeWars. So the instructions of this problem is that your task is to make a function that can take any non-negative integer as an argument and return it with its digits in descending order. Essentially rearrange the digits to create the highest possible number. So this problem is saying that if we pass any random number, for example, if I will pass it 4 to 1 4 5. First of all, what we will do is we will sort it, and then we want the highest possible number first, and then in this order we want the next numbers. Then the smaller than the 5, which will be 4, then the smaller than 4, it will be 2, and then 1. So we want to rearrange the digits to create the highest possible number. So and we also want them in the descending order. So let's solve this problem. So first of all, the number that we are getting in the parameter is not a string, it is a number. It has a type of number. So first of all, what I will do is I will return from this function. I will convert the number into a string, and when the number will be converted into a string, then I want to split in this string into an array. So for this we will use split method, and for this what it will do is it will convert this string into an array. On array we will run a sort. So what sort will do is it will sort all of the numbers and return a new array. Now we have a sorted array. So you can see we have received a number we have converted into a string by using this method string, and in the parentheses we have passed this number. Then we want to convert this into an array. So for this we use a split method of the string and convert it to an array. And now we have an array of all of these numbers. For example, 4 will be different, 2 will be different, 1 4 and 5. These will be the arrays elements. Now we have run a sort method for this number in the array. So what this method will do, it will arrange all of the numbers in the sequence. So for example, in the array we will have 1 in the first position, 2 in the second, 4 in the third, and 5 in the next position. Now we want it in the descending order. So for this it will be very simple. We will use reverse method. So what this method will do, it will reverse the array. So for this, 1 will be the last element, for example 2 will be the second last, and in this sequence we will print these methods, print these numbers. So now you can see we have an array, but the result that we want is going to be the numbers. So we now what we will do is we will convert into an string, and from string we will convert it to an these numbers. To convert it to the array into a string, we will use the join, and in the join we will use these commas. So now the result is going to be here after applying this method we have a string. Now we want to convert these numbers or the numbers data has a type of string into an integer type or the number type. So for this we will use a parseInt method. So I will use parseInt method, and in the parentheses I will paste all of this code. Now you will see the strings or the numbers that we are receiving, these have a type of the string, but we want a type of number. So for this I will use a parseInt method. Now let's test this code and click on the test button. Now you will see the output here. Now you will see our code has passed all of the test cases and our code is successfully run. So as you see, we have run a different methods here, for example string, split, sort, reverse, join. If you want to learn about any of these methods, there is a very good website for learning JavaScript, which is this developer.mozilla.org. You can search about any of these methods. For example, if I want to learn about the reverse method, I will search reverse method in JavaScript. then I will give the website name, and now you will see you can go here and you can learn about the reverse method. Here they have a different examples, explanation, syntax, and all of the things that you want to learn about a particular method. So for different method, for example join, sort, split, string, you can learn any of these methods from this website. So I hope you have learned something new from this video, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends. And I will keep uploading these kinds of problem videos or problem solving videos on my channel. So also hit the notification bell icon so you will receive notification in the future. So this is the end of the video. Thanks.